In this Python programming solutions video, we will understand the answer for the assignment type C, question number 10 of chapter 1 named Python Revision Tool of CBSE class 12 computer science book by Sumita Arora. Let's have a look at the question first. Write another program printing a table with two columns that helps convert pounds in kilograms. Print. Here we are just printing the table heading for the two columns. First heading as pounds and second as kilograms. We have used \t tab to space them properly so as to nicely format into two columns. Then we use a for loop for how many values we want in a column. For pounds in range Here we have used the range 1 to 11 so that in the first column it gives us the values from 1 to 10. So in this case we want to convert values from 1 to 10 pounds to their equivalent values in kilograms. Now using the formula that 1 pound is equal to 0.454 kilograms, kg is equal to pounds into 0.454. We convert the pounds to the equivalent values in kg. Kg is equal to round kg. We also want to round off the values to the nearest 3 decimal places, so we can have used the we have used the round function here. Print pounds. Finally, we print the values of pounds and kg in the respective columns. Now let's run the program. And we see the output in the two columns as desired. We are converting here the pound values from 1 to 10 to their equivalent values in kgs. If you want to convert values other than 1 to 10, simply change the values of the range in the for loop to the values you want. So our program is verified that the code is correct and working. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below, and if possible, we will try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.